I teach in a special education needs class with children aged 7 or 8 to 12 or 13. The variety of different language development levels within the class is enormous. Mighty Writer has enabled me to teach the children all at their appropriate level, targeted to what they are learning at that moment and what their goal is at that moment in time, with the minimum preparation and the maximum of enjoyment for the children. It's tactile, they enjoy choosing their own pictures, making sentences and choosing adjectives and verbs that are directed and chosen by them, and placing them in an order and feeling the whole process without actually having to pick up a pen and write. We record a lot of what they prepare and use that as our assessment tool. They feel completely freed up by the fact that they're able to just speak to achieve their goals rather than having to pick up a pencil and record everything down in a book. I can use it on a daily basis. Now I'm comfortable using it in the classroom. I'm able to do it with a minimum of prep. Quite often choose a fewer number of characters, settings for the children, as otherwise it becomes overwhelming. But I am so delighted to have this tactile, visual, minimum prep, very targeted towards the children's goals resource in the classroom.